Alright guys, it's Fancy Bullock here, and it's Saturday, so I'm going to be attempting to install new steering stabilizer, new Rancho steering stabilizer. Gonna be taking this old one off here and installing that. I also might be installing a new muffler, but I still have to get some piping and some clamps for that. I'm considering welding it, but we'll see how that goes. And if you want to see the muffler, put this open. Flowmaster. It's a Flowmaster. We got some stickers, nice. It's at least 20 horsepower. Flowmaster Super 44. Well, this is a good option for me, and I think it'll work well, sound nice, and be more aggressive. So yeah, let's get started on that steering stabilizer. Alright guys, bolts are out. This one was the one that was giving me trouble. It just was awful. I couldn't fit my impact on it, so I tried turning the wheels, and that works, but I don't have the correct impact size for my big impact, and my smaller one isn't really meant for that. So I had to really crank on it with some wrenches, but I got it out, so she's all out. This one I'm gonna hammer out. Not supposed to really do that, but I'm gonna, because the kit comes with a new set of stuff, so don't have to really be concerned about damaging stuff or whatnot. So yeah, here's the bolt. Close to stripping it clean. Luckily I didn't, so. Oh, paper, come back. That's the torque sheet. There's my cool sticker. Well, I want to see if I can get this one installed. And so I finally got the old steering stabilizer out. That was a big pain. This thing was seized in there, and I was trying to hammer on it, and I ended up actually bending it. I don't know if you can see that. So it's some really soft or old metal. I don't know what's up with that. It's probably soft so you can sit in that really nicely. But what I have to end up doing is going and renting out a pitman arm puller. This one right here. Slap that on there. Took a minute, but eventually got off. And since I was pounding on it and it was really soft and flattened out, I had to grind off the tip of that so I could just even get the thing out. So yeah, hopefully it should be easier now. Throw that piece away. Allegedly it'll be easier now. We'll see. I'm gonna start assembling this and whatnot and getting it ready to go back in the car. See you in a bit. Well guys, after a little bit of frustration and irritation, I finally got it installed. Oh yeah. A real nice Rancho. It's significantly bigger than the old one. Obviously I need to replace my steering box, but this is going to help a lot, just making life a little easier on the freeway when I'm driving. So when I hit a pothole, I don't want to nearly go flying into the curb, or flying off the freeway. Because sometimes it feels like that. But yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Actually, I'm going to show you one more thing. When I went to the parts store to get that tie rod and pitman arm puller, I also picked up some tailpipe extension stuff so I can cut this to length and then slip it in there. Do my crappy welding, but welding that'll hold, So yeah, 2 1/4 inch is specified. I don't know when I'll be doing this. Probably won't be today. I mean, it might be today if I'm feeling excited. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.